Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel. I have not watched the full video yet. While you're still watching this, I'm going to go and check out the whole video. Angazi YouTube uzosivumela ukuthi siposte lento le. Please check this out. I don't know if YouTube's going to allow us to post this because this is somebody else's content. Also go and make sure that you check out their page. I'm also going to shout out Igamale page labo once I even get there. Let me just go and look for this.
Okay. Sis Zanele, please tell your boyfriend why you brought him here.
Okay, so the reason I came to Josie Bioscope and called you here today is because there's a few things that we need to discuss that don't sit well with me. So remember we spoke about you and the incident of murdering these two guys at the tavern? So since then, it made me think about a lot of things. I then went ahead, I went to the jail you were in to find out what type of person you were in there. Then I found out that you were a notorious gang member. In fact, you were one of the leaders. And that gang is still somewhere outside. So that does mean you're probably still involved with them. Because for you to be a leader, you can't just leave it like that. And it just made me think about a lot of things. I mean, we've been dating almost 2 years. All these things you promised me.
So
you haven't done anything. You haven't done anything, basically. To be honest, I am actually scared of what's going to happen. I mean, I don't go out that much. You go out like you want to. I'm always inside, cleaning, cooking, dishes, all that. You never do anything. So, and I'm scared to tell you about such things because of what I've heard about you. So I just feel like for me to be safe, for me to feel safe, we need to break up. You do your thing, I do my thing. Because I think that's the only way I'll be happy right now.
Njani umuntu ufuna sihlukane mfethu. Okokuqala, ngisusa endlini mfethu, ngisuselala endlini undiletha la for lamanyala lawo. Okwesibili, uhamba usophendla ngempilo yami yasetrongweni mfethu. La chapter ngichazele kudala ukuthi sisayivala mfethu.
But it's not closed because it's not closed, you're still doing the same thing.
Uhamba usobuza ngami mfethu.
Angithusibize.
Hey mancane ngisabuza lona wena. Eva. So wena ungisusa endlini ngibhizi ngalo sombisela lamanyala lawo.
I couldn't tell you at all.
Oqala ngiexpose ye kuma camera la. Bona ama camera agcwele kanjani. Okwesibili uzokhuluma indaba zethu ye. Okwesithathu uzongichazela ukuthi kumele sehlukane. Fumbonane nhle. Nawe uyambamba wena. Thena umbamba. Hayi ma enjoyela kabi lo. Wena utheni manje umbamba? Fumbonane wena.
Wait, man.
Fumbonane wena. Hayi fuck off wena. Corporate masemba.
Phansi wena. Corporate kodala wena. Xa ukudala la wena, must cooperate wena. Xa usikhondona iGBV thina la. Hlala phansi la. Ngesizozwa ngawo uzokhondena iGBV la. Hlala phansi wena. Cela siqhubekeni. Ayikho into azoyenza.
And then you still want to stay with me? What if it was me telling you, are you going to do the same thing? Pull out a knife for me? Just because I'm telling you we need to break up. If it wasn't you, you're going to pull out a knife on me. He didn't even do anything. Then you're going to tell me we can't break up.
Hayi ke babukeli niyazibonela ukuthi ku-terrified lana kubhedi. Nami nje I'm terrified. So we'll see you guys next week, same time, same place.
Hey. Udadlalike. Lo? Hawu kadlalike lo bhuti fanami. Ucathi umsusa lekhaya, umlethe la, usumqoma wamqoma. Usuhlale naye futhi isikhathi. Yena wazi ukuthi umuntu wakhe. Naye useze wa develop ama feelings for wena. Bese ucathi wena uzomsusa lemlethe la, uzomhlambalaza. Nothing's up madoda guys. Nothing's up ama-men. Nothing's up ama-men. Yo. Yazi umuntu singela. Yo. Yazi phela ngizama ngengoje. Ngengojana akhe. Yebo ukusagojana noma ungabe ugwetswele. Nothing's lo madoda nje. The minute this guy told you, Kuti, he was abafana yazi abanamanga already. And even if he was telling you the truth, these gang things, they're very dangerous. The last thing you'd ever want is to find yourself in between as tititi. Yes, it's apart kwe hurricane or kwisivunguvungu ku peaceful. Wena-ke esimene nje awufuni ukuzithola lapho. Awufuni nje ukuzithola lapho ke. Because most of a person will be telling you he used to do a gang thing, a gang this, a gang that. Okay, but he no longer does that. Okay, fine, let's say he's really telling you the truth, or let's say he's just telling you the truth, whatever. He's not. Lo muntu nama old enemies. Old enemies. Some might not even know what he's no longer in this thing. Others, they know they still have a score to square up with him. Others, maybe it was his ex-gang colleagues or what. Bahethu ukuthi uphumile nebeshaya into yakhe. Why would you want to be with a man like that nje? Kancinci nje. Uthi kutheni? Kanjani? Yazi nani ithanda? Mina ngikhathele ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi fanele ngithanda nini. Kanjani? Hayi uyangithanda in next thing you'll be cheating on this guy. Next thing you know, this guy will be doing something, will be hurting you. Mina kazi angikhiphi 50 rand. Kwashona nje umuntu angikhiphe 50 rand. Angikhiphi nje 50 rand ngikhiphe umuntu oshonile mina. Futhi yabona futhi manje before umuntu nizoze ngikhiphele wona lo 50 rand, sengiqala ngibuza ukuthi ushone kanjani, bekwenze njani. Ngifuna umlando because khathi lokho sikhipha ama 50 rand ethu ngombhedo. Sikhipha ama 50 rand sikhipha umbhedo. Umbhedo phela lo. Obvious. Even the fact ukuthi this guy was a gang member. One, ding, red flag. Okay, for me. Lo muntu, chances of him ukuthi abe violence, akushanga evara mhlapule ngale. Are very high. And uzobenzani wena? Yes, sometimes you can get a guy or hardcore in the streets, but maybe you go abe soft. But do you really want to test ukuthi is it your guy, is it that guy I'm talking about, man? Do you really want to see that? Look on its own, that was supposed to be like, cling, let me run. No, I'm not interested. No. The minute he tells you Gucci he was in this. I'm not saying Gutama Fetu must not find love. No. But guys, I man just 11 nje ithola Fetu. Hayi manje. Yini ukuthi ndudlame kancane. Ukhele muhle kanje. Mara nenye into yokuzithanda guys is important. Khona indaba ngisazongixoxa yazi yena nami ngizongijaja. But hayi le ngizoyifaka kuyo le video le ndaba. Guys nani nithandazi. Wanithanda nje. Yashiya aziba fethu yabona ezinye izinto uyabheka ama red flag uthi no, this one. When it comes to GPV, you look now, look guy. Look man. Sebiyavuka ex gang. We're not even going to patter the thing ukuthi he's still in it. He's still doing those things. He's been doing those things. Even go Tronkong and outside of Tronkong, he's doing those things. Angesik part look. Buwa manje so wenzani. Yo. Kamnangi akinthathi ke drama nje. Yeah. This girl, she was away. And she's even saying that she's scared. Mina, what happened here? This girl is supposed to move from wherever she stays. She must go and move to another place because now she's not safe. Yes, this guy was piped down by that other fat guy with the gun. Yes, it happened. But this girl, for her own safety, fanele athuthe abaleke because lo esengafika lapha endlini. esengafika lapha endlini uzobenzani? Guys, anibheke amadoda enu, anibheke lamadoda enilokhu niwaqoma nani, anibheke lamadoda enilokhu niwaqoma. Le ndaba yami ngeke ngiyifake la. Anibheke lamagama lamadoda enilokhu niwaqoma. Mina nje kodwa nibukazi ukuthi angikhiphi nje imali. Makuthiwa nje umuntu usikolekela ubani ushonile. This girl is young, she's beautiful, she's supposed to be focusing at school, in school, or doing something else. Sorry, ningavala umlomo. Yena nomuntu wakhe. Hayi nomuntu wakhe. I've never seen this. You know, this is my first time seeing something like this happening. This guy nje ufuna ukugwaza manje. Manje. Sesibonga ukuthi bekhona igani. I-AK40. Yeah, evaluate the people you have, guys. Evaluate us. Evaluate it, Mafetu. And another thing you must know, the way that I am treating this one, you must know your turn is coming. I will do that to you one day. Going back to this. You see this guy? Going that manje. Yo, guys. Sing relax. Fang gym and manje. Yeah, man. Tell me what you think. Galamatu da ina fucked up.